Hey, what's going on, guys? Let's do this problem right here. So we have sound source that's producing this sound right here, and the frequency of which is 500 hertz. And we have an observer moving toward this source, and the velocity of this observer is given as 10 meter per second. And the question is asking what is the frequency that observer will observe when he walk toward with this speed. So let's see how we can calculate this one. So first of all, we have the equation for this, that is f observer is equal to f source, the frequency produced by source, v plus or minus v observer, and this is the velocity of the sound. And then in the bottom we are going to have v plus or minus v source, right? So this is the equation we are going to use, and we know that fs, that is 500 hertz, so we can plug all the values. 500 hertz, and the velocity of the sound is 340, and the velocity of the observer is 10 meter per second. In the bottom, v source, this is not moving, 0, and this is stationary, right? So we can close off this one, and we have this velocity right at the velocity of the sound in the bottom, so that's 340. The question is whether we have to put the plus or minus right here. As he go toward to this source right here, what's going to happen to the wavelength? It's going to decrease, right? So we know this equation, v is equal to f lambda, and here we are trying to find the relationship with frequencies. Frequency is equal to v over lambda. So as the wavelength decreases, frequency increases. So we know this is going to be plus, because as he go close to this one, the wavelength is going to be decreasing and the frequency is going to be increasing, therefore this would be plus. If he going away, this is going to be minus, and that's the connection. So let's multiply everything. We have 500 multiplied by 350 over 340, and if you calculate this value, this one comes out to be 514.7 hertz. So this is the frequency that's going to be observed by this observer, and that's how we calculate this. I hope you guys like this video. See you next time.